This product makes over 16,000 euros on Amazon Germany by doing one simple thing, and that is giving value to the customer. In this video, we're going to jump into my computer and take a look at what the brand did or is doing to create more value to Amazon customers. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Ross, back with another video. For those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. I've been doing this for quite some time, and I do offer a mentorship program. But this Saturday, I will be offering a free webinar. If you're a new beginner, if you're a new seller on Amazon, or if you're looking to start your Amazon journey, definitely you need to be in this free webinar. The link to the webinar will be in the description down below. Join it, grab your seat. It's going to be full, I guarantee you. Okay, guys? So good. Without further ado, we're going to jump into my computer and take a look at what this brand did or how they achieved this success. Okay, come along. Let's jump into my computer. Yeah, guys, welcome back to my computer. And we are staring at the product. So here's a product we're talking about. It's a Japanese box. It's a selected mix of 25 different types of Japanese snacks, I see. So as you can see here, it shows the revenue. The monthly revenue is roughly around 16,000 euros per month. They've sold over 500 units. They have over 600 reviews, and the base price here is 30 euros 95. So the first thing I see here when I look at this is the fact that this is a gift set. Okay. And with gift sets, you could do that all year round. So already I can see what this brand did is they've pretty much put together a bunch of products that, number one, you can't easily find. And number two, let's take a look here. Okay, good. Those are the pictures. So number one, you can't easily find this types of products in Europe. So they've put this products all together into one bundle. And the customer who pretty much knows a little bit about this product, or maybe doesn't know about it but is just looking for it or sees it, is now given this beautiful bundle. And he, of course, is happy that he receives everything in just one box. Okay, if we look at, okay, they don't show us exactly how they box it, but the bottom line is that it is a gift set, or a bundle rather. And in the bundle comes different snacks. You could see all kind of komi-san, supai, teriyaki, pocky, mochi, a lot of different Japanese type of brands here that I guess these are products that a lot of people in Japan would probably be familiar with. So they did a wonderful job of putting it together. And as you can see here, it sells over 300 units, or it sold over 300 units in the past month. So it's a very good concept here that you can also do. Of course, there are some intricate details to it that you have to take into account. Let's see if they have an I was trying to see. Okay, good. They do have an A+ content here. I'm trying to see what their A+ content is, or what it talks about. Okay, good. They, in their A+ content, they go into a little bit more details about what's inside of each product pretty much they give you the details of what you will expect in the box. Yeah, they really went detailed, guy. They really went detailed into it. And I guess here they do have a video. Okay, let's see. Let's play the video and see if it plays. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. This is how it comes. It comes in a box just like this. And they put the calculator on top of it just to show you the size of the box. So it shows you that it's not really that big of a box. So a lot of this stuff, actually, so the calculator tells us what the size of the box is. And as you can see, it's not that big of a box. And you can see on the box, they also put their brand name on the box, which, so guys, this whole concept they've done here is they're not just only selling a bunch of products together, they're giving the customer a very unique experience. And that's, that's definitely worth it. And the product itself weighs less than 1 kilo. So it's not that heavy. So it's not that heavy of a product. It's 35 by 24 by 7. So this is not really that big of a box. I mean, you get quite a lot of things in this box, guys. I mean, one would think this is a huge box, but it's really not. And that's exactly what we're talking about, giving value to customers, putting things that rather than the customer looking for this product individually, he now gets the product in one simple box that hopefully would, I don't know how long, I know if I speak for myself, it might get this box. This box wouldn't last more than 2 or 3 days. Oh, food. So, yeah, I mean, it seems like a lot of stuff, guys, but I mean, it's really a good value. It looks like a lot of stuff. It's 25 pack, but you can see if this 25 pack fits in such a small box, it could be for a party. It could be just for, the family, but it looks like a lot, but it's really not that big of a box. So I can see this being okay. Yeah, just like I thought. They do FBA, so they've actually got this product sitting in the Amazon warehouse. So they package this properly, and they've got this product price at a very good price, €30.95. So it's just a matter of hopefully getting this individual product at a fairly cheap price, depending on if they're buying them. If they're buying the individual products at a wholesale price, I'm sure they're not spending that much money for each item that they're putting in the box. So that leaves them with quite a substantial profit amount on this, because on this price, because at €30.95 there's room to play with, enough room for Amazon fees, Amazon storage, and Amazon logistics, since Amazon would be the ones delivering this. And here they have a subscribe and save. So that tells me that they have customers who actually subscribe to this and receive this on a monthly basis. So yeah, this is definitely a good one, guys. A good idea to follow, a good concept to go with, a good product to inspire you guys. This is to inspire you, not to copy what they're selling, but you can pretty much do something similar to this. And like I said, this Saturday I'm going to be having a free webinar. If you're starting your Amazon journey, we're going to dive a little bit more deeper into this types of products, how to source this types of products, or how to pretty much put them together. There are certain Amazon rules that you must follow when you're doing a bundle like this. Okay, guys. So I can see that they have a BSR rank of 2,292. So this is really good in Lebensmittel und Getränke. My German is still terrible. So they are doing pretty well. Although let's see when this product came on the market. Let's take a look and see if the date is here. They came on the market back in 2021. So they've been on the market for a while. Hence the reason why they have over 600 reviews. It takes a while to get to 600 reviews. But just the review alone tells us that they've sold quite a lot. They've sold maybe over 60,000 units of this product. So I can tell you right now that this is definitely a good idea that this brand came up with. And most importantly, guys, they are giving good value. That is the most important thing. Okay, good. So I hope this inspires somebody out there, and definitely you want to copy the same concept. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Awesome, guys. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. This is a beautiful concept, beautiful product put together. So if you can simply use this as inspiration, guys, please, like I say, don't copy what other people are doing. Simply use it as inspiration to also look for or go into or go deeper and find something similar to this and pretty much make your own bundle out of what you've seen so far. So, like I said, I'm going to be having a free a free webinar, one-on-one, a free webinar this Saturday. For those of you out there looking to start your Amazon Germany journey. So the link to the webinar will be in the description down below. Click on it, get registered so you can save your seat because it's going to be full. I look forward to seeing you. We're going to dive deeper into this concept of bundling, and then we're also going to dive into starting Amazon Germany. Okay. Uh, for those of you out there who don't know who I am, once again, I go by Ricky Russ, Amazon Germany seller. Please like this video, comment if I missed anything, put it, say it or write it in the comment section, and please share this video to someone you know may need to watch it. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching my video. I totally appreciate it. Once again, Ricky Ross saying I'm out.